Hello dear students, welcome to my one more class on module 2 properties of integers. In this lecture video, I'll be discussing about binomial and multinomial theorems. The statement for binomial theorem. Okay, on the basics of properties of the combination, we have the combination formula that CNR is equal to NCR. And this is a coefficient of x power r, y power n minus r, and also for x power n minus r, y power r from the expansion of x plus y whole power n. So where this x and y are real numbers, so in other words, expansion of this x plus y whole power n will be summation r from 0 to n ncr x power y power n minus r, or also we can expand this like summation r from 0 to n ncr x power r minus n y power r. So next is multinomial theorem. So for any positive integers n and k, the coefficients of x1 power n1, x2 power n2, x3 power n3, etc., etc., xk power nk in the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on plus xk whole power n will be given by n factorial by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial, etc., nk factorial. So these two are the statements for binomial as well as multinomial theorems. So now we will discuss some problems on binomial and multinomial theorem. Okay, the problem is like this. Find the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3 from the expansion of 2x minus 3y whole power 12. Second one is find the coefficient of x power 12 from the expansion of x cube into 1 minus 2x whole power 10. So to expand this, since the problem contains two variables here, I'll be using binomial theorem. Okay, so first thing is we have to take the formula for binomial theorem. So general, we have the formula for binomial theorem as x plus y whole power n summation r from 0 to n ncr x power r y power n minus r will be equal to summation r from 0 to n ncr x power r minus n y power r. Okay, so now the thing is like I want to find the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3. Okay, to find this, the first thing is I need to expand this equation 2x minus 3y whole power 12 by using binomial theorem. Okay, I'll be expanding this. So by comparing this equation in general formula with the given equation, I'm having 2x minus 3y whole power 12. Okay, so in the equation I'll be replacing x is equal to 2x, y is equal to minus 3y, and n is equal to 12. So I'll be getting summation r from 0 to 12, 12cr 2x whole power r minus 3y whole power 12 minus r. So now I'm going to take all the constant term outside. So I'll be getting what? Summation r from 0 to 12, 12cr 2 power r minus 3 whole power 12 minus r. Taking the variables x and y outside, I'll be getting x power r y power 12 minus r. So according to the problem, I need to find the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3, right? Yeah, I need to find the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3. Okay, so now in this, to find the coefficient of x power 9 and y power 3, so here I must get x power 9 y power 3. Okay, so to get x power 9 y power 3, I must replace r is equal to 9. Okay, if I replace r is equal to 9 here, I can get x power 9 y power 3 in this equation, so that I can easily I can able to find the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3. So I will be replacing r is equal to 9. So I got the equation like this. After replacing the value, that is x power 9 y power 3, I'll be getting the equation like this. Okay, so after replacing r is equal to 9, I'll be getting what? Minus 2 power 9 into 3 power 3 into 12 factorial by 9 factorial into 3 factorial. So this step is obtained after taking the coefficient of x power 9 y power 3 by replacing r is equal to 9. So by simplifying this further, I'll be getting the solution like minus of 2 power 10 into 3 power 3 into 11 into 10. So this is the required coefficient of x power 9 y power 3 from the expansion of 2x minus 3y whole power 12. One more example is x cube 1 minus 2x whole power 10. The first thing is I'm going to expand only this 1 minus 2x whole power 10 by using binomial expansion. So I'll be replacing what is that? X is equal to minus 2x, y is equal to 1. So I'll be getting this equation, and n is equal to 10. So summation r from 0 to 10, 10 cr minus 2x all power r, 1 power 10 minus r. So since 1 power anything will be, it's 1 only. So I can put this 1 power 10 minus r is equal to 1. So now, after simplifying this further, since the equation contains x cube also, so if I multiply x cube on both sides, I'll be getting the equation like x cube 1 minus 2x whole power 10 is equal to summation r from 0 to 10, 10 cr minus 2 power r x power r plus 3. I got it. Okay, now I need to find the coefficient of x power 12. So I need to get x power 12 here. So to get x power 12, I must replace r is equal to some value. So I can take r is equal to 9. So if I replace r is equal to 9, I'll be getting x power 12 here. So that I can get the coefficient of x power 12. So what I will get now? So after replacing r is equal to 9, I'm going to take the x power 12 coefficient. It is 10c9 minus 2 whole power 9. On expanding this, I'll be getting minus 5120. Problem number 2. Find the coefficient of xyz whole power xyz square in the expansion of 2x minus y minus z whole power 4. And one more is x power 11 y power 4 in the expansion of 2x cube minus 3xy square plus z square whole power 6. We can observe that here this problem contains 3 variables. So 3 or more variables, in the sense I must use the multinomial theorem here. Okay, so first take the formula for multinomial theorem. So from the multinomial theorem, I have this equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 etc x power xk whole power n is equal to n factorial by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial, nk factorial. So now I need to expand the equation 2x minus y minus z whole power 4. So since the equation contains 3 variables, the combination will be like this. The 4 combination with n1, n2, n3 and 2x whole power n1 minus y whole power n2 minus z whole power n3. Okay, since I need to find the, so first thing is we'll take the constant outside. I'll be taking 2 outside here, minus 1 outside here, minus 1 outside here. So I'll be getting what? 4 combination with n1, n2, n3, 2 power n1 minus 1 power n2 minus 1 power n3 into x power n1, y power n2, z power n3. So according to the problem, I need to find the coefficient of x, y, z square. So to get x, y, z square in this equation, to get x, y, z square in this equation, I must replace n1, n2, n3 values. So since I'm having x, y, z square, I must replace n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 1, n3 is equal to 2. Like this. So I'll be replacing n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 1, n3 is equal to 2. So this becomes 4, 1, 1, 2, 2x power 1 minus y whole power 1 minus z whole power 2. So expanding this, I'll be getting 4, 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 square x, y, z square. So now taking the coefficient of x, y, z square, I'll be getting 4, 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 square. On expanding this combination, I'll be getting this value minus 12. One more example. So I need to expand the equation 2x cube minus 3xy square plus z square whole power 6. So first I'm going to expand this equation. So after expanding this equation in general, I'll be getting 6 n1, n2, n3, 2x cube whole power n1 minus 3xy square whole power n2, z square whole power n3. Okay, now I'm going to find the coefficient of, I need to find the coefficient of x power 11 y power 4 in this equation. Okay, so to get the coefficient of x power 11 y power 4, so I must replace the values for n1, n2, n3. So since here the problem not contain any z term, so I'm going to replace n3 is equal to 0 directly, so that this z term will get eliminated there. So I'll be replacing n1 is equal to 3 now, n2 is equal to 2, so that I'll be getting x power 11 y power 4 in the equation. So after replacing n3 is equal to 0, n2 is equal to 2, n1 is equal to 3, the equation leads to 6, 3, 2, 0, 2x cube whole power 3 minus 3xy square whole square, z square whole power 0. So now by taking the coefficient of this equation, I'll be getting the equation like 6, 3, 2, 0, 2 power cube 3 square. So on further expansion of this, I'll be getting 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 72. On expanding this, I'll be getting the value 4320. Okay, this is regarding binomial and multinomial theorems. Okay, in the next class, I'll be discussing about combination with repetitions. Thank you.